Hello and welcome to this tutorial, guys. In this tutorial you're going to learn how to speed up your computer at max in easy simple steps. All I want you to do is take a pen and a paper and write down these steps so that you can perform on your laptop. So all you need to do is click on start. This is the first step. So this is the Windows button or the start button. You can press Windows R on your computer to bring the run, but the easiest way is just type run. So this is the run, click on it and you have this run window here. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to type clean mgr. So you can see here CLEAN mgr, clean manager, and hit OK. You should see something like this, and then select the drive because I have only one hard drive on this PC. So click OK and you should get this kind of window. Sometimes when you just click on start and type run and then clean mgr, you can directly get this window as well, so don't be surprised if you get this. So all you need to do is click all of this. These are all safe and safe to delete the file. These are temp files. So as you can see, recycle bin, temporary files, all of these. So everything is checked and the total amount of disk space is almost 1 GB. So click on OK and it will ask you, are you sure? Delete. So that's gonna delete your recycle bin and all of the temporary files. It's not gonna take long. It will be like 2 minutes, 3 minutes, but depends upon how long you have not done it for. So if you have never done it, it's gonna clean a lot of space for you. The second step that we will do is we will again go to that run window by clicking on start and typing run. Now once you're on this, you will type temp and hit OK. Continue. So these are your temporary files. Your computer does not need them, but whenever you are browsing anything, it saves it over here. So you can select one of it and press Ctrl A and then hit shift. You have to press and hold the shift button and press the delete button after. Then it will show you, are you permanently want to delete? Hit yes. Otherwise, if you just normally delete it, it will go to your recycle bin. So you might see this one. So click on do this for all current items and skip it. Okay, and then close it. This is your second step. Now the third you're going to do is again go to run and hit enter. Now you're going to type the percentage. So you press the shift and the number 5. That's going to bring the percentage, and type temp percentage. Hit OK. These are again your temporary files which stays on your computer. Press Ctrl A, that will select all the files, and then shift plus delete. That's gonna delete your temporary files. I had like more than 3,000, even though I do delete sometimes, but it keeps accumulating. So that's gonna free up a lot of space on your computer. Do that. Once you are done doing it, then again you will go to run. This is our fourth step, and we will type prefetch, prefetch. It's here. Press OK. Again press continue. You will be deleting all of these files as well. The same process. Control A, shift delete, and then delete it. 500 files. So we are done with that. Now the last step that I'm gonna tell you, it's very important, and for most of you guys, when you start the computer, your computer is very slow when you start, and later on also it lags because there are a lot of background applications which are running. So sometimes when you download something, it does that, and sometimes there are a lot of things that comes installed with the computer and that keeps getting update again and again, and then it keeps running on the background. Even you don't want them to run. So even if you close it again, when you restart the computer, it will come back on. So we will get rid of it. So press on the Windows button and go to run again, and this time type msconfig and hit OK. Now you have to look here very carefully. So go to services first, and you have to click hide all Microsoft services. So these, when you check this option, when you boot the computer, it's gonna be very fast for you. So hide all Microsoft services, and then these are all the services that are running in the background. So some of the things which are running and some of the things which are stopped. So like this HP print scan doctor service, I don't want it to come when I'm starting the computer. Huawei suites, I don't want that. And there is easy anti-cheat, or this one battle service, I don't know what is that. So there's a lot of things which I even don't know which how it came, but I will disable it. So basically these are all safe to disable it, because these are none of your Microsoft services. So once you're done, okay, just leave the others if you think so that your computer might need them. But this ones that you know that it's not really required, like I don't want my scanner to come up every time when I boot the computer, or Huawei services, or whatever, like Wondershare, any others which you don't know, you can just unclick it. Like this Zakentos service, I don't know what is that, so if I want I can uncheck it. Nahamik service, I don't know what is that. McCafe web advisor, I will uncheck that. So these are the things which were running which I don't know, I can uncheck it. Now go to startup. So first we'll just click on apply. Okay, now go to startup and then click open task manager. Now these are the application which comes on when your computer starts up. So I have disabled a lot of services before. Let me check if there is any services that is required for me to put off, like Google Drive. I don't want it to come every time when I boot the computer, so I can just disable it, and that's it. Because the rest of the things, like the other things like Xbox service and Skype and all of these, when it boots up, I don't want it to come. So these are safe to disable, and then click on cancel and hit OK. When you hit OK, it will ask you to restart, and you need to restart your computer because you have done a lot of changes to your computer. You can just click on do not show this message again and hit the restart button. So for now, this is all the steps that you need to do in order to speed your computer. For now, I'll click on exit without restart because I'm going to show you a bonus step. That is, if your internet is running very slow and you want to boost up your internet, then this is what you need to do. Just click on the start button, and again go to run and type inet cpl.cpl and hit enter. Now go to connections and go to LAN settings here. So if any of the other is checked, uncheck that and click on automatically detect settings and hit OK. This is one thing to do. You can go to advanced and you can restore advanced settings. This is safe to do, so you can do that as well, and then hit on apply and OK. Even these browsing history here in general, okay, you can delete them, and then just delete them and hit on apply and OK. The very last thing that I'm going to tell you, if you're using Google Chrome and you have a lot of it runs slow for you, so you can just go to your clear browsing data here. Just click on these three dots and go to clear browsing data and go to advanced and go to all time. So you have a lot of browsing history here. You can just click on clear data. That's going to speed up your browser. Whichever browser you're using, most of it will have this. And I hope you like this video, and do come back and comment if it worked for you. Okay, I will reply to your comment. Thanks a lot, and hit on like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.